welcome back to the channel again. So today we are going to solve some set of problems on the switch statements. So I have listed here 5 questions. So let's go to the first question. So what's our first question? Write a Java program that takes a number from 1 to 7 as input and prints the corresponding day of the week using switch statement. I have created one file here, PQ3 practice question session 3. Okay, so let me import the scanner class. Import java.util. Let me take a star this time. Okay, so let's create our public class PQ3, then PSVM. Okay, so first we have to take a number as an input, south. So enter a number. Okay, then let's declare one variable. Before that, let's declare scanner variable. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Then next is let's create our one variable. Let me name it as the data type is int. Num is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so here we have taken one input number. So let's write this logic. So switch. So we are giving the num as input, then these two floor brackets. Then let's write the cases. For case 1, if I enter the number 1, then I have to print as it's Sunday, or it may be Monday. According to you, you can write. Then let me give a break statement. So it should break after the case 1. Then same for the case 2. South, it's Sunday, then Monday, then again break it. Okay, I'm not going to write it more, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy, paste. Then I need one more. So case 3. Then this is case 4. This is 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 6. So I need one more. Okay, so let me copy it and paste it. So this is my 7th case. Good. Okay, then Sunday, Monday, then it will be my Tuesday. This is Wednesday, then this is Thursday, and this will be Friday, and this will be Saturday. Nice. So if I give some number, it will select the respective cases. If I don't give the correct number, if I don't give the number in between 1 to 7, then I can give one default statement as south, wrong number, enter. Okay, entered. Right. So let me run this program. So let me give some number as 5. So it is giving me Thursday. Okay, everything is good. So let me just comment it out. Okay, nice. Okay, so what's our second question? Write a Java program that takes a character as input and determines whether it is a vowel or a consonant using switch statement. Okay, so we have to find out from the alphabets if it's a vowel or a constant. Okay, so let me just copy and paste the first two lines. Just copy, paste, remove the comments, and two more floor brackets. Okay, think. Okay, good. Then I will take the character input. So I have to create one scanner class. I will take it from here. Scanner. I will be needing this line also. Control V. Then let me remove this. So instead of enter a number, I will give a enter a alphabet between A to Z. Okay, so how we take character input? By using char. So ch is equal to sc dot next dot char at index 0. Okay, so you may be surprising that what is this char at. Okay, so char at is a string method which returns a character at some index. So here I have given index 0, so it will return me the character at 0th index. So as I am giving only one character, so I am specifying its index to be 0. Okay, so it will take the we will be learning these all methods in the string sessions. Okay, so here I have taken the input. Now I have to write just switch statements, right? So switch, so ch is my choice, means character input. So let me name it as case 1, no, case A. So as it is a character, I have to write it in the single inverted commas. Okay, case A, then I will write case B, okay, with the colons, not semicolons. No, A, E. Then let me copy and paste it. A, E, I, O, and then U. Okay, so let me just remove this. So you may be surprising that why I have written these all without any break statement. I can do like that also. After writing the case A, I will write it as okay, it's a vowel, then I will break the statement, then again for this, and all this. Okay, but it will create a too much. I have to write too much here. Okay, if I write after this case U, okay, so let me take let me declare one string data type with the variable name as, let me take it as character. Okay, then I will write as if I have selected any of these character, means inputted this or any of this character, then I will be telling that it is a vowel. Okay, then I will break the statement. So what it does here, when I give some input, it will check all these cases one by one, then it will assign the vowel. If any case is true, then it will assign the vowel to the character variable, then it will break the statement. Okay, so this is, so one more case is constant, so I will give it in the default. If I give any other thing, so it will be in default. Then okay, I will just copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it over here. So this is my constant, sorry, consonant, it's not constant. Okay, so consonant, everything looks good. So let me write one south statement. Okay, so it's my character variable I have to print. So let me paste it with plus sign, then here. Okay, let it be this much only. So let me run this program. Okay, the error is caused because this is a method, so I have to give open brackets and close bracket. So let me run this again by saving the program. Okay, so it is asking me input. Let me give it as a. It's a vowel, perfectly good. So let me give another like Z. Okay, it's a consonant. Okay, so everything looks good. Let me just comment this out. Nice. So let's go to the third question. So what's our third question is telling us to do? Write a Java program that takes a month number 1 to 12 as input and prints the number of days in that month using switch statement. So pause the video and try to do it yourself. Okay, I hope that you have solved the questions. So I'm not going to solve this question. Here's the solution for you. So don't go ahead to the solution directly. First try to solve it. So this is the complete program for this question. Okay, nice. Okay, so let me zoom it again. So let's go to the next question. Okay, then what's our fourth question? Write a Java program that takes a grade A B C D or F as input and prints a corresponding message using a switch statement. For example, if the grade is A, the program should print excellent job. So what they are telling is, let me give a hint how to solve this. So write a Java program that takes grade A. Okay, so you have to take the character input over here. Okay, we have to do how we have solved this question, this second question. We have to do like that only. Okay, after doing like that and prints a corresponding message using a switch statement. Okay, so we have to print the corresponding statements like if it's a grade A, then we have to print excellent job. If it's B, okay, then we can print something else. After C, if it is F, then it's obvious that the student has failed. Okay, so pause the video and try to do it yourself. So I hope you have solved this question. So let me just introduce you to the one more method, that is dot to uppercase. Okay, so sometimes if the user is using small letter keys, but in cases you have given capital letter keys, so the small letter keys will not match with these capital letter keys. So that's why we have to change the format of the letters to the uppercases. Okay, so here we are using one dot to uppercase. It's a string method. So dot to uppercase, what it will do, it will capitalize the each letter whatever we have given. So character means we are specifying only a single character. Grade means the variable in which we are storing the input. Okay, so character dot to uppercase will capitalize the each letter if it is in small letter. Okay, so can go through this solution and do it and cross check your code also. So here we are going to create our own calculator. Okay, so what's in this question? So write a Java program to implement a simple calculator. The program should take two numbers and an operator plus minus this as input and perform the corresponding operation using a switch statement. So here we have to create our brand new calculator. So how we can do it? So let me just copy these lines and paste it over here, and then commenting out these all lines. So it is better to comment like this, then / save it. Then I need to curly braces. Okay, so instead of grade I can take some other like operator. Good. So let me give it as a C only. So okay, or else let it be a scanner only. So first of all we have to take two numbers as input. Okay, so let me just copy this line and paste it over here. System.out.println, enter first number, then take it as int only. Int num1 is equal to scanner dot next int. You can also take double. Okay, control V, enter second number. Okay, it's O not I. Then just copy this and paste it. Then this will be our num2. Okay, so here I am taking two numbers as input. Then I have to take my operator. Enter your operator. Okay, good. So here I will be entering my operator. Okay, operator. So operator is a character type input, so I have to take this char at 0, right? So let's go to this logic switch. Okay, I have to give my operator here flower brackets, then case. I can input plus, then let me break this, else I can give minus, then let me break it again. Okay, let me just copy these lines. Okay, plus it will be multiplication, this will be division. Okay, only 4 operators, good. So let me write it as out. Let me just copy this, control C, then here control V, system.out.println. Okay, your addition operation is, so what's my addition operation? So let me give it as plus, then I have to add it, right? So let me just write here only num1 with num2. Okay, it will add it and give me the respective answer. Then here I'm doing the minus. Okay, this is, then here will be minus your subtraction, then here it will be multiplication with multiplication sign, and here we will be having our division. So this is division. So good, so everything looks good, I hope so. So let me just run this program. Yep. Oh shit, I guess semicolon, so it is colon. So let me save this program and run it again. One more semicolon I've given. Oh nice, too much mistakes. but we learn from the mistakes, right? Public class pq3 why. Yep. Not commented out this program. Okay, let me comment out this up to here. So this is my last chance to run. Yeah, I got it. So enter the first number. Let me give it as 3. Then let me give it as 3 again. And what's our division? Yay, your division operation is 1. Let me run it again. So let me give just some 20 with number 50. Then plus our addition operation is 70. Okay, you can go through the code. Yeah. So here I am ending my session. So in the next video, I'm thinking to make one more part on the switch statement. So in the next switch statement, there will be a different syntax to write the switch statement. Okay, it's the updated versions. It is the Java's updated version syntax. So I will show you it in the next video. So subscribe to the channel to get to the access to the part 2. Okay, bye bye.